It's windy. I feel like the wind's gonna just carry the truck away and me with it. Can you hear that? It's like violently windy out. Hello everybody. Happy Vlogmas Day 23. Happy cold Vlogmas Day. It's -3 here in Mansfield and -7 in other parts of Ohio. We're under a level 2 warning where they don't want us out unless we really have to be. The wind gusts here are amazing, like up to about 75 miles an hour at times. It just rattles the house and the truck. I'm out here trying to warm my truck up so we can finish our shopping. We called around and the stores are open, which is really good, but I don't know about the road conditions, so we're gonna see. If they're too bad, I'm gonna turn around and come back and hopefully get everything done tomorrow morning. I have a lot going on. Been taking care of stuff at work, trying to get my retirement done. So I was real busy, and that's why I haven't been on in a couple days. And also just busy with Christmas festivities. Yesterday I had an office party out of town, so I went to that, and then on the way home I could stop off at my daughter's house, so I did that. And like I said, I ended up spending the night here. It was just too cold to travel. It's actually really too bad for us to be out today, but you know, I have stuff to take care of. So I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you're all enjoying the holiday season, whatever you're doing. I am so happy to tell you all that I got a new GoPro for Christmas. I was wanting to wait to open it. We all open gifts usually on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day with my husband's family. But he kept telling me, open it. You might want to use this for the holidays. And I was thinking, what could I possibly want to use for the holidays, you know? Yeah, it's a GoPro, so I'm so excited. I can even take some nice underwater videos with this GoPro. So stay tuned for those videos. Get hung up. So this is the end of the line for our shopping trip. The plow truck has went into the ditch, and there's a drift about 3 feet high in front of it. I'm gonna run up there and see if they need any help or anything. We finally finished shopping. When I said shop till you drop, I meant shop till you drop. It is -2 right now. It feels like it's about -22. Lots of wind gusts still all day, and I guess it's gonna be this way in through tomorrow. So I'm glad we got our shopping done. All of it today.